Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Sling TV to your Amazon Firestick so you can enjoy live TV, movies, and shows right from your device. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Turn on your Firestick and make sure it is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A reliable internet connection ensures smooth streaming. Step 2. From the Firestick home screen, navigate to the search icon at the top left corner. It looks like a magnifying glass. Step 3. Type Sling TV into the search bar using the on-screen keyboard. Select the official Sling TV app from the search results to make sure you are downloading the correct app. Step 4. Click on Get or Download to install the Sling TV app on your Firestick. The installation may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Once the app is installed, go back to the home screen and navigate to your apps and channels. You'll see the Sling TV app icon there. Step 6. Open the Sling TV app by selecting it. You will be prompted to log in with your Sling TV account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly from the app. Step 7. After logging in, you can browse Sling TV's live channels, on-demand movies, and TV shows. Use the search function inside the app to quickly find your favorite content. Step 8. To make Sling TV easier to access in the future, highlight the app icon, press the menu button on your Firestick remote, and select Move to Front. This will place Sling TV on your home screen for quick access. That's it! Sling TV is now installed on your Firestick and ready to stream anytime you want. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.